just reached the office, AmpQuartz, and let's get down. Okay, now we're going to 7-Eleven to buy coffee. Let's go, let's go. I'm gonna go inside right now. Wait for me, bro. You know, I see so many drinks. I want everything. Let's back to work. Let's back to work, bro. So now it's about 10:15 AM and just bought the coffee from 7-Eleven. And yeah, I will continue the vlog whenever we go for lunch, and pretty much we can go for the lunch whenever we are hungry. So yeah, let's start the work. So we are going to lunch right now. Okay. So we are going for lunch right now. Yeah boy, yeah boy, hey, yeah boy.
A few minutes later. Nice.
Just coming back from lunch, and let's continue our work.
Neil big.
Okay, so now we're gonna let our boss to teach this social media marketer to make coffee. Hi, welcome to AmpQuartz. Let me show you. Right, I will get someone to teach you how to make coffee.
Oh, okay.
So here's our coffee area. Right, look at this. That's a very beautiful trainer, and also a very beautiful machine. Right?
Expensive.
Very expensive,
Yeah.
right? I don't know how much, but very expensive. Right? Yes.
How many children? Oh, okay. Already set that lah.
Before that, you need to press this button. Watch the. Okay, then.
No, I'm scared of this. It's the first time. Yeah. I mean, I did, but like, it's a post mess. You want to try or? Yeah, I want to try. Okay. So first you have to do it straight, right?
A bit, yeah, just like this. Then you can start. Press, push up. You can start to making your
Okay.
flower art.
Oh my god! Wow!
Go again. Yeah. This
What is this?
This
This is my art.
Bruh.
Yeah, this is my first latte art.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
have the basement. So now we are going home, and yep, pack our things up and then go home and have a good rest. Thanks for watching.